morning everybody, this is Snow from Your Small Exotic. This video we're going to be showing you how to properly do a cleaning on your windshield and all the windows. So if you take a closer look on the windshield, we're going to see what is called gassing from the plastic and leather and the materials, and as well as from our own breath that gets stuck in the actual cockpit. And then when the air rises and it gets hot, it rises up and gets stuck in the windshield itself. So we're going to get all that film taken care of by doing a proper windshield and glass cleaner and using a specific microfiber towel to get rid of that film. We're also going to be using this long reach tool to get to the crevices of the cockpit right between the glass and the actual dash. All right, let's get started. The long reach tool, fluid spray on the glass a little bit, just messed up a little bit. We're gonna go again. We're gonna go to exterior, mess the exterior a little bit. And that's how you clean a windshield.